am at PDX, Portland International Airport. My husband Pete recently got a new position at his job, and part of the position they sent him to Burbank, California for a few days this week for training, and he gets back tonight. So I'm here to meet him when his flight arrives, and I thought it would be fun to pick up the camera and vlog while I'm here because they have the rotating art display here. There is an 8-foot tall sculpture of Multnomah Falls that's made out of Legos, and I think that'd be pretty incredible for you guys to see. So let's go check it out. So the sculpture is located in the baggage claim area, so it's pre-security if you want to just come and check it out. It's down next to the Oregon Welcome Center. Sculpture is by Eric Matson, and it's 8 foot tall. It took 225 hours over the course of 1 year, approximately 80,000 Legos. It'll be on display as part of the rotating art program until July of 2019. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Awesome. I guess while I'm here, I'll check out some of these free brochures and magazines and stuff so we can find some really fun things to do this summer. I am all about adventures this summer. Have it, the Lego Multnomah Falls. When the weather's better and I have a little more time, we'll go to the actual Multnomah Falls again. I want to do some hiking now that I'm feeling better. My sciatica flare-up is a lot better. Pete's flight should be here soon, so I'm going to cut this vlog very short. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.